nothing wrong. Yeah, I made mistakes, but you know it's hard for me to move on. 'Cause baby, tonight I wanna cry. 'Cause I still here by my side. Baby, someday I'm gonna be alright, be alright. I'm all alone without you on my mind. All day till I close my eyes. Without you on my mind, I still hear you whispering in my ear. When I look into your eyes, tell me you sleepless nights, till I'll be alright. Without you, girl, then I make me feel missing by your side. 'Cause you know, I miss you so bad, girl, and I know our love still starts to blur. You know it's hard, we all hard ways. You try to wait, believe that you got away. Don't forget about everything and anything and all the memories, 'cause I know what you do to become my love, beginning my love, but you're giving up even though I want you. I hope it's just a bad dream. Me and you is still the best thing. Relationships are criminal, what I mean. The most pretty woman that I've ever seen.
Ayoko kasing kumanta eh. Alam niyo yun? Silence. Kanta na naman. Madami siyang back up. Oh, yeah. Hi, Tine! I miss you so much. Where are you been? Where are you been? Thank you, Tine. I miss you. Kumusta ka na? How's life going? Life is not good. Bakit? What happened? Life is gonna be good. I love you. Hopefully it will. It will. It's gonna be okay. May naririnig ba kayo? Mike? Mga naka... Wow! Nag-aaral ng Kapampangan. Sabihin mo, patakla ko. So, let's go. Lahat ng mga tropa ko, time para ako naman. Mag-DJ na rin ako. Mabango ka daw? Mabango talaga ako. Ang mahal ng ang mahal ng pabango ko para hindi maging mabango. So, sino na ready mag-party? Ha? Sino na ready mag-party? Change career na ba? Yeah. To. Para sa inyo to. Wala ka music. Wala pa kasi. Chill lang kayo. May introduction pa. Parang ayaw nyo naman akong i-introduce. May introduction pa mga guys. Ano ba yan? Huwag na lang. Ayoko na. Alam niyo naman yung sitwasyon ko ngayon, di ba? Hi, Chai! I miss you! I miss you so much! Tara na badminton na! Alam niyo naman yung sitwasyon ko ngayon. Okay? Ready na ba kayo? Give me a round of applause.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, everybody show some.
Ano ba yan? Bakit nyo Simulan na natin. Lalaglag ako eh. Meron akong pad ba? Okay, DJ talaga ako.
ਰੱਖ ਲੈ ਪੱਲੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੁਖੜਾ ਲੁਕਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ ਨੀਵੀਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਕੁਝ ਚੀਰ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ ਪੱਲੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੁਖੜਾ ਲੁਕਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ ਐਵੇਂ ਕਰੀ ਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਰੀ ਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਰੀ ਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਪਿਆਰ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਚ ਕੇ ਰਹੀ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਹੁਣੇ ਹੁਣੇ ਹੋਈ ਮੁਟਿਆਰ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਚ ਕੇ ਰਹੀ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਹੁਣੇ ਹੁਣੇ ਹੋਈ ਮੁਟਿਆਰ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਚ ਕੇ ਰਹੀ
Let's go! Wait lang guys, excuse me. We have some technical issues. So, pasensya na guys. Pasensya na. Maganda tayong technical issues. So, magpapalit muna ako ng set ko kasi hindi ko siya trip.
Here we go. Come with me. There's a world out there that we should see. Take my hand. Out of my phone, and you wanted me to keep it, beep it, beep it. You wanted me to beep it, beep it. Not a problem, baby. Beep it, beep it.
My money. Play down, call me on my bluff. Pay me what you want it. Ballin' bigger than LeBron. Bitch, give me your money. Who y'all think y'all frontin' on? Like blah, blah, blah. Louis 13 and it's all on me, nigga. You just bought a shot. Kamikaze if you think that you gon' knock me off the top. Shit, your wife in the backseat of my brand new foreign car. Don't act like you forgot. I call a shot. Pay me what you want it. Don't act like you forgot. Don't act like you forgot. You forgot. Don't act like you forgot. You forgot. You forgot.
And you are unforgettable. I need to get you alone.
You forgot.
Why not? A fucking good time, never heard from nobody. I got a little drink, but it's not Bacardi. If you love the girl, then I'm so sorry. I gotta give it to her like we in a marriage. Oh, like we in a hurry. No, tell nobody. You're on your level.
Slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you're trying to make your fall off. Hella thick, I wanna smash them all now. Speed up, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal. And you already know me, insane G&E. Gas pedal, gas pedal. Black money, let them say amen. I'm just trying to make it clear, boy, Ray-Bans. I'm a great man, whoa, same friend. I play a whole late night DJ, man, room full of boppers. Tell them give me timber, beat it up, 911, hit the covers. I'm S-A-G-E, who would like to know? B545 from North King crew. Yeah. West side, baby, do what you do. And you gotta tell what that shit do. It's pretty new, my bitch, the way that I grow. I be stepping up in the club, they make a drop to my show. I do mine cause I spoon, but I don't give a fuck. Silverware, new child, if I can afford a score. You the North Gabba girl, I hit it gang. Got a booty like Coops, I'm tryna make it. Wow, slow down, grab the wall. Wiggle like you tryna make your fall off. Hella thick, I wanna smash them all now. Speed up, gas pedal.
What it is, ho, what's up? Every good girl needs a little thug. Every black boy needs a little love. If you put it down, I'ma pick it up.
Nasty girl, nasty up in a nasty girl, nasty up in a nasty. Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna match my nasty? I got salmon. With a good technique. Is somebody gonna match my nasty? Pillow talking got my throat gasping. If you keep up with me, I'll keep on coming back. If you do it too good, I ain't gonna give a damn. 'Cause it feels like heaven when it hurts so bad. Baby, put it on me. I like it just like that. Just like that.
Shake that thing, miss. Kinda shake that thing, yo. Annabella, shake that thing, miss. Donna, yo, miss. Jody and the one named Rebecca, yo. Shake that thing, miss. Kinda shake that thing, yo. Annabella, shake that thing, miss. Donna, yo, miss. Jody
Pakinggan
and the
kita.
one named Rebecca, yo. Shake that thing, miss. Shake that thing, yo. Annabella, shake that thing, miss. Donna, yo, miss. Jody and the one named Rebecca, yo. Shake that thing, 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 shake that thing,
Oh yeah, shake body. Oh yeah, move body. If you ring alarm. Oh yeah, shake body.
I love it when they try to get intimate, even though they know I really ain't into it.
You're not into it.
I'm not into it. I already know the game and I've been through it. See, I buy my own bags, my boots, my jeans. Will a rock with my rebel yell underneath. You wanna step to me? Since you got a long way to go. Rock me and everything when you're so high. And you say you got skills in the bedroom. You try to flirt when you're so mad. Had a chance, you still never come through. You say you wanna come see me, 'cause you know your girlfriend wanna be me. I'ma tell you what you can't. You got a long way to go.
Everybody dance on the dance floor. Let's go.
Mississippi putting it down. I'm the hottest round. I told y'all mother, y'all can stop it now. Listen to me now. I'm lasting 20 rounds. And if you want me, then come and get me now. Is you with me now? The biggie bounce. I know you dig the way it's swing around. People sing around. The people gather round. The people jump around. Get your feet on. 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 Get your feet on.
You just want attention. You don't want my heart. Maybe you just hate the thought of me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention. You just want attention. 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 I just wanna get your attention. You just want attention. I really wanna be all up in your head. You just want attention. What I got, you gon' wanna get some. Yeah, but girl, that's only if you ain't scared. And I won't knock, won't ring no bell. You just put that bottom up in the bed. I'll get you hot, I know you want so well. And when I walk in all that I want is it you say daddy's home, home for me. And I know you've been waiting for this loving all day. You know your daddy's home and it's time to test.
Let's go. Lahat ng single mag-ingay. Ah!
Way. Somebody say hey, 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 daddy, hey, hey. Young Moolah, baby. Hey, hey, daddy, hey, hey.
Born last night. I know these hoes ain't right, but you was blowing up her phone last night, but she ain't have a ring or not her ring on last night. Oh, nigga, that's that. Why give a bitch your heart when she rather have a purse? Why give a bitch an inch when she rather have 9? You know how the game goes, she be mine by halftime. I'm the shit, ooh, nigga, that's that nerve. You all about her and she all about hers. Birdman Jr. in this bitch, no flamingos, and I done did everything.
Lahat ng mga pinagpalit, magingay!
When a rich nigga want you, and your nigga can't do nothing for you. These hoes ain't loyal.
Lahat ng ginawang rebound, magingay! Shoutout nga pala kay 555 Nelma, let's go!
I can make a broke bitch rich, but I don't fuck with broke bitches. Got a white girl with some fake titties. I took her to the bay with me. Eyes closed, smoking marijuana. Rolling up that by Molly, I'm a rasta. She wanna do drugs, smoke weed, get drunk.
Pakinggan nyo to! Malupit to mga guys! Let's go!
She wanna fuck all the rappers. When a rich nigga want you, baby.
And you never get nothing, boy! Let's go!
No. These hoes ain't loyal, no they ain't. These hoes ain't loyal. These hoes ain't loyal. No, 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 no. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. These hoes ain't loyal. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. These hoes ain't loyal.
Wala nang loyal sa mundo!
I said I'm geek and I'm so good, it's to die for. That pussy good, it's to die for.
It's a secret society. All we ask is strong. All we got is love. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. Gone full Kenny now. My resume is real enough for 2 millennium. A better way.
Hindi masabi ang nararamdaman, di makalapit. Sadyang nanginginig na lamang ay nasabik sa piling mo. Ang iyong matang walang mintis sa paligil ng aking mundo.
Ang tanong ko lang,
Alipin ng pag-ibig
kapag ba naririnig mo yung paborito niyang kanta, naaalala mo ba siya?
ang sangtulad ng
Kapag ba dinadaanan niyo yung mga lugar kung saan madalas kayong dumaan,
puso
naaalala mo ba siya?
akin lang, hindi ka na malililang. Ikaw ang ilaw sa
Bakit? Ang hirap kalimutan yung mga taong minsan na sa atin ay nagpasaya. Kahit na sinaktan tayo, palagi pa rin nakikita ang magagandang alaala nila. Ganun na ba tayo magmahal? Sadyang tanga lang ba tayo? Bakit ganon? Kahit saktan ka ng paulit-ulit, mahal mo pa rin kahit ikaw ay ipagpalit. Hindi ka man niya mahal pabalik, ikaw ay nagmamahal ng paulit-ulit.
bukit mo sa isip ko. Ako'y alipin ng pag-ibig mo.
Ngunit hanggang kailan ka magiging alipin ng pag-ibig nyo kung ikaw lang naman ang nagmamahal mag-isa habang siya'y may minamahal ng iba at ang masakit ay hindi ikaw yon, ngunit okay lang kasi martir ka naman na kahit anong sabihin niya, siya pa rin ang nilalaman ng puso mo.
Between
kang kunin ang mga bituin sa langit, nguning habang siya ay namimingwit ng mga isda at hindi ikaw ang tanging laman ng kanyang puso't isipan. Kaya mo na ba siyang kalimutan?
Ako'y alipin ng pag-ibig mo. Handang ibigin ang isang tulad mo.
Hanggang kailan ka magtitiis sa taong kaya ka namang tiisin? Lahat ng mga iniwan, magsayaw!
Matang liwanag ng mga bituin. Ng mga bituin. Ng mga bituin.
Masakit man ipagpilitan ang hindi para sa atin. Sasaktan tayo ng tadhana para tayo matuto. Pero shoot ang ina, hindi ka pa rin matuto. Kaya paulit-ulit ka na lang nasasaktan. Kung meron man may kasalanan, ikaw, dahil hinayaan mo ng paulit-ulit kang saktan. Gaano ka kahalimaw umibig?
Umuwi lang tila bang lahat nagbago na. Nawalan na ng sigla ang iyong mga mata. Ngayon ko lang naramdaman ang lamig ng gabi. Kahit na magdama.
Ayoko na, ayoko na. Ayoko na, bes. Ayoko na. Tama na. Tigil ko na to, bes. Ayoko na, ayoko na. Ayoko na mag-DJ. Ayoko na, ayoko na. Tama na tayo, tama na. Tapos na, tapos na. Ayoko na. Okay na to, okay na to. Tama na.
Sana sinabi mo para di na umasang may tayo pa sa uli. Sana sinabi mo
Tigil na natin to.
hayaan naman kitang sumaya at umalis. Para di na umasang may tayo pa sa uli. Sana sinabi mo hayaan naman.
Hello? Ilang buwan nang magkausap, di pa rin sigurado. Taging napapaisip kung ano ba talaga tayo. Katulad ka lang ba ng iba kung kailan na sana'y na biglang mawawala? Pakiusap lang, sabihin mo. Ano ba talaga tayo? Pag-usapan natin di umalabo. Di malaman kung saan ba patungo. Ngayon ako ay naguguluhan. Ano ba talaga tayo? Sabi nga ba ay di pa sigurado? Kung may iba, huwag mo nang itago. Sawa ako sa palaisipan. Ano ba talaga tayo? Ano ba talaga tayo? lang ba sa akin lumalapit ka? Iiwanan na lang bang isog? Wala si Bestie, walang nagko-correct sa akin. Di na makita, minamadalisin. Bestie, I need you. I need you to correct me. Pag-usapan natin di yung palabo. Ay, huwag mo lang itago. Sawa na ako sa palaisip ka. Ano ba? Para kanino yung kanta? Para sa'yo yan, Kylie. Pag-usapan natin di yung malabo. Kung maiba ay huwag mo nang itago. Sawa na ako. Let's go, everybody. Saksi yung langit. In Tagalog, God knows. Ay, heaven knows. Mangarap lang habang ika'y pinagmamasdan. Bestie, mataas pa. Nagbibilang na iyong Bestie, mataas ba? Bestie, mataas sa tono ba? Oras at pag-ibig mo, mas pipiliin ko. Ibigay lahat, pati itong aking mundo. Halik. Mataas, Bes. Habang ako'y nakikita sa'yo, wala na kang ibang makinig. Saksi ang langit sa'kin. Tuloy mo yan. Mataas yung... Ito na lang, yung line ko. Huwag kang mataas ba? Ito. Kung bakit tayo pinag-isa, huwag ka nang kabahan. Ito hindi pa nag-iilang. Hindi ko magalaw ang oras sa paligid ko. Pati itong mundo'y tumitigil habang ako'y nasa tabi mo. Halik at sumayaw sa ilalim ng bibig habang ako'y nakatingin sa'yo. Ito na lang. Bakit iba yung boses ko dito? Hello? 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 Hi? Hello? 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 Galing-galing naman ang bestie ko. Hindi, alam kong ino-cry mo na ako deep inside. Hello? 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 Di ko man maamin, ikaw ay mahalaga sa akin. Hello? 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 Di ko man maisip sa pagtulog, ikaw ang panaginip. Malabo man ang aking pag-iisip. Pakinggan mo sigaw nitong damdamin. Ako'y alipin mo kahit hindi batid. Aaminin ko minsan ako'y manid. Sana ay iyong naririnig sa'yo sasabing, pagkat ikaw lang ang nais makabig. Para sa akin ba yan? Yes. Malamig man. She's gone though. Hi babe, I love you, I miss you. Alam nyo, ano yan? Basic lang sa akin yung she's gone. You wanna hear me sing it? Okay, I'll sing it. Ready na kayo? Ready nyo na yung mga camera nyo. Let's go, everybody. Balagbaga na to. Let's go. She's gone out of my life. I was wrong, not to blame, wasn't true. I can't live without her. In my life, there's just an empty space. All my dreams are lost and wasting away. Forgive me, girl. Lady, won't you save me? My heart belongs to you. Lady, can you forgive me? For I'm dead to you. Lady, oh lady. She's gone out of my life. Oh, she's gone. I find it so hard to go on. I really miss my girl, my love. Come back into my arms. I'm so alone. I'm begging you. I'm down on my knees. Forgive me, God. Lady, won't you save me? My heart belongs to you. Lady, can you forgive me? For I'm dead to you. Lady, oh lady, oh tama, breakdown muna tayo. Masyadong taas pa lang. Breakdown muna tayo, guys. Sinipon ako doon. Breakdown, breakdown. Ang galing lalo na sa high notes. Thanks. I mean, basic lang sa akin kasi yun, pero yeah. Gets ko yan. Request niyo ng kanta, sige. Pagbibigyan ko kayo. Story of my life, searching for the right, but it keeps avoiding me. Sorrow in my soul, cause it seems I'm wrong, really lost my company. I-ano ko lang i-set ko lang. The sky is blue, the clouds are rolling in, because I'm gonna get into him who can't be true. And I know that he knows I'm unfaithful, and he kills him inside to know that I'm happy with some other guy. I can see him dying. I don't wanna do this anymore. I don't wanna be the reason why. Namimiss ko yung namimiss ko yung isa kong VA. See him die a little more inside. Hard anymore. I don't wanna take it. Dinner ka na? Hindi pa. I feel it in the air as I'm doing my hair. Hello? Hello? Didn't have to tell, because we both know where I'm about to go, and we're doing very well. He knows I'm unfaithful, and it kills him inside to know that I'm happy with some other guy. I can see him dying. I don't wanna do this anymore. I don't wanna be the reason why. Every time I walk out the door, bakit ganun? I don't wanna hurt him anymore. Thinking out loud din. Mag-request ka. A murderer, I'm his trust. I might as well take a gun and put his two in bed. Oh, nag-request ang pinsan ko. Thinking out loud daw. Random Oh, kita ko. Pakibigyan natin ang request ng pinsan ko. Minsan lang mag-request yan. Taco G! Umuwi ka na dito sa Pilipinas. Miss na miss ka na namin. Pag umuwi ka dito sa Pilipinas, ililibre mo kami sa bar. Tapos kung gusto mo hanapan kita ng chicks, I got you. Ulitin natin. Tama ba to? Yung ba yun? O, eto. You said move on, where do I go? I guess second best is all I will know. I will Ed Sheeran tayo. Ito na. Tako mag-live ka, tas mag-PK tamo. When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off. Baba. Will your mouth is the Ang baba, wait lang. And then darling, okay. Female version. Pasensya na. Ito na. Hi. Nakaka-pressure. And I guess I'll be off of you. Hindi ko alam yung tono niya. And darling, I will be loving you till we're 17. And baby, my heart will still for us. Heart at 23. Ang hirap ah. And now I'm thinking about people fall in love in mysterious way. Maybe just the touch of a hand. Oh, me, I fall in love with you every single day. And I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. Ang hirap eh. Thinking out loud, maybe we found love right where you are. Mahal. Hanggang doon lang po tayo dahil ang hirap po pala nun. Okay! Para to sa inyo guys.